Dr. Huebner, Natural Transplants. I'm here with Franky. She's here now for a second procedure. She decided to just shave her head and start fresh, and I wanted to show her scar because it just turned out so great. And I wanted to show you what this pencil line scar, and her head is shaved at this point, or down to a 0, and you can see the tiny little pencil line scar. That she did not have any micropigmentation or anything else, but you can see just a tiny little seam or scar. She would have to have her hair extremely short, almost shaved, to see this. And when she came in, her hair was just a little bit longer and it was completely hidden. But I wanted to show it now, give this a fair shot in terms of what a scar actually looks like. So thank you for showing this, Franky. Appreciate that. And today we're going to actually go for a new scar and get as much hair as possible.
Take the first step to better hair. Call 844-327-4247 to schedule your free virtual consultation.